welcome. Let's solve this question under indices. So we can see that 8x squared is being raised to the power, then the whole thing is being divided by the fourth root of 2x exponent what? 6. So the first thing we need to do is to distribute the power outside the bracket into the bracket, then change the fourth root to become an exponent. So in this case we are going to have 8. We can still reduce 8 to the base of what? 2. So that will give us 2 exponent 3 x exponent 2 divided by this become 2x exponent 6 all to the power 1 out of 4. We know the fourth root is just 1 out of 4 exponent. So now we can now distribute in the power, which means that if I have two numbers raised to the power is going to be distributed according to the number of terms. So this is going to be 2 exponent 3, which is already there, times 3 out of 4, then your x exponent 2 times 3 out of 4. This is being divided by 2 exponent 1 out of 4 x exponent 6 times 1 out of 4. So what do we do here? We're now going to simplify this. Since 3 is not a factor of 4, we multiply the numerators. This is a factor of this, so we can cancel. So this is going to be 2 exponent 9 out of 4 x exponent this, which is a factor, so we'll be left with what? 3 out of 2 minus, divided by, this has no other simplification, so we maintain 2 exponent 1 out of 4 x. We know 2 is a factor of 6 and 4, so 2 can go here 3. 3 times 1 will still be 3, then the 2 will be our denominator. Now we can see the bases are the same. You know, if you are doing division, you subtract the powers. So this and this have the same base, this and this have the same base. So we do subtractions of powers, meaning 2 exponent 9 out of 4 minus 1 out of 4 x exponent 3 out of 2 minus 3 out of 2. We are dividing, so we subtract the powers. So you know that when we are doing subtraction of fraction of the same base, we only subtract the numerators. That will give us 8 over 4, and 8 over 4 will give us 2, meaning that is going to be 2 exponent what? 2, which is 8 over 4, and that will give us 2. Here we have the same number being subtracted, and that will give you x exponent what? 0. So in this case we are going to have 4 times what? 1, which will give us what? 4. So in order to simplify this, we will arrive at what? 4 as a value. So this is one way of simplifying indices, just following the law. I believe the concept is clear. Like, share and follow if you enjoy this video. Bye bye.